Hi, I'm Austin with One Time Plumber, and we are changing a 2-valve bathroom faucet. First thing we're doing is taking off the handles. And then we are going to unscrew the diverter. And then he's going to be cutting the copper in the back so that we can rip the whole valve out of the wall. We're going to unthread the shower head water line and then pull the faucet out. And that is the old faucet. So we're going to thread these to take the cartridges out so that we can solder without melting the cartridge and the rubber pieces. Alright, so the next step here is we're going to put the copper pieces inside the fixture, and then we are going to mount it to the old copper lines and then get to soldering. So what we're going to do is take flux, put it on the 1/2-inch pipe. This cleans the pipe after you sand it, and then it helps the solder wrap around. Alright, so everything's connected. This is your diverter, this is for your shower head, and this is going to be your cold side, hot side, and now we're going to sweat them up. I am soldering the couplings right now on the cold side so that we don't have any water leakage. Now we're going to put the cartridges back in and start putting on the trim kit. Screw on the hot side and give it a little bit of a snug. And that's how you get her done.